guys, there's a nun over there.
Stop. Don't go.
She's a nun. She gonna
Don't go. Don't go. Don't mistake darkness for light.
But I'm thirsty, Dan. I'm thirsty.
I know you're thirsty, but don't go.
Oh, hey guys, come. You guys look very tired and thirsty. Hey guys, come on over. I have water. You guys look very tired and thirsty.
Listen.
Come.
Don't go.
Come get some water. Hey guys, come. I have water. You guys look very tired and thirsty. Come.
Don't go.
Come on over. Before you start your journey, I have water.
Hey guys, listen up. If we're going to be successful on this journey, we have to be one with our bodies. Therefore, we do have to rest our bodies a while before we continue. Okay? So let's rest here. You, Sarah, is going to keep the first watch.
All right, boss.
Okay?
All right, boss. I'll keep check.
All right, Sarah.
going on?
What's going on? I should ask you that. Who are you?
No. She's the clone. I'm the real Cassandra.
They're both one and the same person, man.
I am the real Cassandra. She's the clone.
Okay, I'm gonna ask you a few questions. The first time I met you, what happened?
I was drunk.
Where do I live?
You live with me in my house.
County, you speak French. Come here.
French, I'm coming.
Let me know which of these French person is correct.
Alors, qu'est-ce qui se passait avant qu'on est arrivé ici?
On a été attaqué. Une nonne, une bonne sœur. Je vous dis, vous êtes en danger. C'est moi, Cassandra. Et puis je suis tombée.
You. Ask her.
Alors, qu'est-ce qui se passait?
On a été attaqué par une nonne, une bonne sœur. On est en danger. Je suis la bonne Cassandra. Elle est le clone. Vous êtes en danger.
Yeah, they're both saying the same thing.
They're exactly the same person, man.
And they're saying the same thing, so...
Mystic. Sarah,
Boss!
welcome the clone and the right. Guys, we've reached the hills. The toughest part of our mission is to fight the coneheads, the elite of warriors. I'm very proud of all of yous or us for coming this far. But keep in mind, we never came this far to come this far. We came to win, conquer, and bring the mass back home alive. If by chance any of us falls behind in action, I will promise you this, the rest of us living will make sure your name is never forgotten. Prosperity will maintain your names, and the generation to come will also know your name. In my next life, if there is a next life, I proudly wish for all of you to be my relatives, family, friends, brother or sister. Even in the face of death, we shall not kneel or bow before darkness. We are lion and lionesses. Look, they have manipulated the weather against us. But however, the storms and the wind are on our side. The weather is in our favor. Let's be brave in darkness. Are we all ready?
Yes, we are.
Aye!
let's go.